Hey everyone, talking about Rolling in Love by Kilian. The notes in this are almond milk, iris, musk, and ambrette seeds. I was not sure what to expect going into this. Kilian are always high quality, but I don't always love their scents. Some of them I do, and some of them it's just kind of like, okay, yeah, that's nice quality, but it's not for me. This one I was like, this might be so powdery, so musky, yuck. But I really like this. Wow, oh, so good. It's a bit too feminine leaning for my personal taste of what I like to wear, but I would be thrilled to smell this regularly if like my wife wore it, if a friend I was around wore it. Yeah, to my nose, it's like clean, fresh, uplifting, chill, and also like really attractive at the same time. Super well balanced, does not become a total powder bomb, and the musk also doesn't get too screechy, just really well blended. And this is what I like to get out of a niche scent. Something that smells very high quality, very well blended, but also like really pleasant and welcoming and just like, ooh, that smells good, rather than something that's. I like challenging ones if they're kind of almost purposely challenging, like gasoline and like, weird notes and stuff. I really think that can be fun, or like fiery smoke, but I don't love it when niche houses do stuff that's just like really, really kind of, yeah, it just feels like something that the everyday person would not think smells good, but it's also not even trying to be experimental or cool or artistic. It's just somehow like something that you'd have to be so into fragrance to even like kind of start to appreciate, which those totally have their place. I'm not mad that they exist, but I'd love to see more like this where it combines that quality, but it's still something that anyone anywhere can smell and be like, damn, that smells good. Yeah, I was surprised to see comparisons to Carolina Herrera Good Girl, but when I was looking at the notes, I was like, what the fuck? Doesn't even make sense. But of course, after smelling it, I actually do see the resemblance. It's not a dupe by any means. This is more like quiet, and Carolina Herrera is a little bit more wild and kind of out there and strong and intense, a little bit kind of like spicier and darker. But it does have like kind of a vibe of that, and I really like Good Girl, so I like this as well. I do think this is really overpriced. It's $265 for a 50 ml. If that was for 100 ml, I think that's fine, but I don't think this should be that pricey for a pretty simple scent profile. But again, it is really well done, and I love the smell. So longevity and projection are on the lower side, which I think is kind of a good thing. I was worried this would be too much of like a musk and powder bomb, and I'm glad that it's not. Definitely leans feminine. But I don't think that somebody, if they were smelling this on a person that was more masculine presenting, whether that person was, whatever gender they are, just like say that you're usually into more masculine style and scents and stuff like that, I don't think anyone would be like, wow, that doesn't go with you at all. It's so feminine or something like that. If in practice, just smelling it out and about, I think you just smell clean and nice. Yeah, so maybe I will try this on skin. I really, really like it. And I think it does a great job. My only complaint really is just I feel it's overpriced for what it is, but again, at the same time, it's really good, so I can't complain too much about that. I'll put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample if you want to check it out.